Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install IVACY VPN on your Amazon Firestick device. So this VPN is officially available on Amazon Firestick App Store. If you want to download IVACY VPN on your Amazon Firestick device, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here IVACY VPN. When you type IVACY, the suggestion below IVACY VPN, so scroll down and click on. And here as you can see IVACY VPN app, so click on. Now click on download button. So here as you can see IVACY VPN has been installed on Firestick. Now you open IVACY VPN from here and also from home. So after installing IVACY VPN on your Amazon Firestick device, go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here again press the remote home button for 3 seconds. Now click on apps, it means application. And here you will find all application that is installed on Firestick. So if you want to open IVACY VPN, then scroll down and you will find IVACY VPN. So here is the IVACY VPN icon. Now click on. So if you have an IVACY VPN account, then type here your username and password and click on login now. And you don't have IVACY VPN account, then first create your account and after that sign in. So you can use this method to download IVACY VPN on your Amazon Firestick device. And I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.